And we basically have annually a meeting where people present the work that's been done on brown tree snakes and update each other. So it's a meeting of an update for peers working on this issue.
That was U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service Assistant Field Supervisor Earl Campbell talking about the annual brown tree snake scientific presentations at the top of the Mar in Nimitz Hill. He says key people from Guam, the CNMI, Hawaii, and Washington, D.C. are here to learn the latest efforts in trying to control the brown tree snake population. He says to understand the challenges of this invasive species, you have to look at what works first.
I think one of the positive things is we've got some really good people working on brown tree snakes, and the work that folks like Wildlife Services doing control of snakes at ports and airports, stopping things from getting off Guam is something that's a key success. These guys are doing a really, really good job.
Distinguished speakers from local and federal agencies also discussed Micronesia's biosecurity plan, a brown tree snake aerial suppression system, and targeting small snakes. Presenters from the University of Guam also spoke briefly about other recent invasive species that invaded the island, such as the coconut rhinoceros beetle and the little fire ant. Campbell says while those eradication issues are important, the brown tree snake problem today can only be controlled in limited sites and small areas. He notes that's why it's important the scientific community meet to share data and ways to combat this issue.
One of the things that we look at is how better to control snakes more cost effectively with the goal of controlling snakes on larger areas on Guam.